Do you wake up early every day? Do you drink tea in the morning? Then you are already using the present simple tense. In this video, you'll learn how to confidently talk about your habits and routines in English using the present simple tense. What is present simple tense? The present simple tense is one of the most commonly used tenses in English. We use it to talk about things that happen again and again: habits, daily routines, facts, and general truth. If something happens regularly, like brushing your teeth, going to school, or eating lunch, we use the present simple to describe it. Examples: I brush my teeth every morning. She walks to school every day. These are things that happen all the time. They are part of a routine. Grammar rule: we use the base form of the verb. That's the original form, like walk, eat, sleep. But when the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or sometimes es to the verb. I walk to school. She walks to school. It rains a lot in April. So remember, add s or es for he, she, it, and just use the base form for I, you, we, they. Now let's look at how present simple sentences are made. There are three main types: affirmative, positive, negative, and questions. Let's go through them one by one. Number one, affirmative sentences. Structure: subject plus base verb V1. For he, she, or it, add s or es to the verb. For example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. He drinks coffee every morning. She reads the newspaper. Tip: just remember, he, she, it always makes the verb wear an s at the end. Negative sentences. Structure: subject plus don't or doesn't plus base verb. Use do not with I, you, we, they, and use doesn't with he, she, it. For example, I don't eat meat. He doesn't play football. They don't work on Sundays. After don't and does not, we do not add s to the verb. The verb stays in its base form. Yes, no questions. Structure: do or does plus subject plus base verb. Examples: do you like pizza? Does she work here? Remember, use do with I, you, we, they, and use does with he, she, it. So if the subject is he, she, or it, switch to does. For everyone else, do works just fine. Now let's just explore how we use the present simple tense in real life, especially when talking about habits and routines. Number one, daily routines. These are the activities we do every day, like getting up, going to school, or having breakfast. Examples: I wake up at 6 a.m. She goes to school every day. They take the bus to work. Notice how the verb changes with she. Go becomes goes. Number two, habits, good or bad. Present simple is also used for habits, something we do often, whether it's healthy or not. For example, he smokes. I exercise every evening. She always forgets her keys. Words like always and every evening tell us it's a habit. Number three, repeated actions. If something happens again and again, we use the present simple. For example, we eat out every weekend. My dad watches TV after dinner. Common time expressions with present simple. We often use certain words with the present simple tense to show frequency or routine. These include everyday, always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never, on Mondays, once a week. For example, I always drink water after waking up. She usually visits her grandma on Sundays. They never eat junk food. Time expressions help the listener understand how often the action happens. Pair them with the correct verb form to sound natural. Common mistakes to avoid in present simple tense. Even if you understand the present simple tense, many learners still make small but common mistakes. Let's look at three of the most common ones and how to fix them. Number one, forgetting the S with he, she, it. This is one of the most common errors. When using he, she, or it, you must add s or es to the verb. She go to school is a wrong sentence. The correct sentence is she goes to school. Remember, he, she, it needs the verb to change. Mistake number two, confusing present simple with present continuous. Another common error is using an, is, are plus ing for daily habits, which is incorrect. Present continuous is for actions happening right now, not regularly. I am eat breakfast every day. It is a wrong sentence. The correct sentence is I eat breakfast every day. For daily routines, just use the base verb, not the ing form. Mistake number three, incorrect question structure. When asking questions with does or do, students often add s to the main verb, which is incorrect. For example, does she eats rice? It is an incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is does she eat rice? The rule is simple. Never add s to the verb when you use does or does not. Quick tip. After do, does, don't, or does not, always use the base form of the verb. Alright, it's time to test what you have learned. I'll show you two sentences. You pick the correct one. Ready? Let's go. Question number one. He go to work early or he goes to work early. The correct sentence is he goes to work early. We use goes with he, she, it. Question number two. I don't like coffee or I don't like coffee. The correct answer is I don't like coffee. After don't, always use the base form of verb. Number three, she eat eggs every morning or she eats eggs every morning. The correct answer is she eats eggs every morning. With she, add s to the verb. Eats is correct. Number four, do she walk to school or does she walk to school? The correct answer is does she walk to school? Use does with he, she, it when asking questions, not do. How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments below. And if you made a mistake, don't worry. That's how we learn. Practice time. Fill in the blanks. Now it's your turn. let's practice what we have learned about the present simple tense. I'll read each sentence with a blank. Pause the video if you need time. Then check your answer at the end. Number 1. He dash TV every night. The correct answer is he watches TV every night. Use watches with he. Add es to verbs ending in ch, sh, ss, x or o. I dash video games on weekdays. The correct answer is I do not play video games on weekdays. Use don't with I and base verb. Question number 3. She dash to the gym twice a week. The correct answer is she goes to the gym twice a week. Add es for she and goes. Number 4. We dash lunch at 2 p.m. The correct answer is we eat lunch at 2 p.m. With we, use the base form, just eat. 5. Does he dash chocolate? And the correct answer is does he like chocolate? After does, never add es or s. It's just like. Number 6. They dash on weekends. And correct answer is they don't study on weekends. They goes with don't and the verb stays in base form, study. Sentence number 7. You always dash your phone. And the correct answer is you always forget your phone. Use the base form with you, so it's forget. Question number 8. My mother dash delicious meals. And the correct answer is my mother cooks delicious meals. My mother is she, so we add s, cooks. How many did you get right? Let us know your score in comments and keep going. Practice makes perfect. Let's put everything together now. Here's a simple example of how you can describe your daily routine using the present simple tense. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I eat breakfast and go to work. I usually come home by 6 p.m. In the evening, I relax and watch TV. I go to bed at 10 p.m. You can see how the present simple is used to talk about repeated actions and habits throughout the day, like wake up, brush, go, relax, watch. These are all regular things we do, perfect for the present simple. Now it's your turn. Try writing your own daily routine in the comments. Remember to use present simple tense. Now you know how to use present simple tense to describe your habits and routine. Practice daily and you'll become more fluent in no time. If you like this video, give it thumbs up, subscribe for more English lessons, and comment your score and routine. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.